Hey everyone, welcome to BarnBridge project call number 30. Let's jump right in today with some dev updates. I'll kick it over to Bogdan. Go ahead.
Hello guys. So I'm going to start by saying that we've had an awesome forum proposal. I think it was a couple of weeks ago. We may have already addressed this, but if I'm not mistaken, but this was led by a community group, and they put together a doc containing SmartYield and Smart Alpha proposed modifications. And I didn't say this before, we have laid out a plan of rolling these out over the course of the next month. Alongside these, we have collected way more community feedback from our Discord channels, and this revolves around Smart Alpha users specifically. These pain points that they have inspired even more UI updates, and these focus on improving the user experience and making Smart Alpha more understandable, so to say. As far as the next products go, we have good news on that front too. In that the two specs, both for the still to be named fixed rate product and the version 2 of SmartYield, they're both finalized. We're gonna have a round of feedback collection, probably for the duration of next week, and development is gonna start right after that. And I mean, I hope once we start development on those, that these community call updates will probably go back to the same vibes that they had a couple of months ago when we were starting. Where I hope I'm going to go over more focused progress, both in terms of smart contracts, audits, design, back and front, and everything mainly for the technical geeks out there, but also for those of you that are genuinely interested on what product development, the product development process looks like for us. And for the main event, I think Milad briefly covered the two products, but mostly focused on the still to be named one last time, the fixed rate one. I was thinking that it's probably not too big of an alpha leak to go over a short intro, maybe some of the proposed fixes to the pain points that SmartYield V1 had that we aim to solve in the second version of it. So SmartYield V2 is essentially going to be a system where juniors sell realized yield to the seniors in exchange for tranched payments consisting of their future yield. And this is going to have more predictable pricing and the risk exposure than V1. And some of the technical pain points that we address, besides gas costs and the different fee scheduling, we're going to remove the need for time locks on junior withdrawals. We're going to make it more attractive to seniors with leveraging and giving them the ability to sort of partially unwind positions. And we're also exploring different sources of yield other than lending pools as a difference to the first version. I think that's about as far as I'm willing to go at this point. We're probably going to have this spec public, but at a bit of a later date. We're deeper in the development, so it's not too much of an off leak. Thank you, guys. Jason.
Thanks, Bogdan. On the operations side, I'll kick it over to Pablo for a few quick updates.
Sure. So guys, we are wrapping up with the KPI option rewards program. We have everything we need to do the final airdrop, so expect that to be done quite soon, and we'll update everyone on the progress there. We will be also updating the integrations docs for developers with all the latest L2 and other chains deployments related to those deployments, the smart contract addresses, and also just kind of like reminding everyone that there is a donation program running. So we still have 3 weeks on that one, but make sure you pay attention to that as well. Other than that, there was an interesting forum proposal posted yesterday, and I've seen quite a lot of engagement there. So make sure you check it out and join the discussion. The link to it is in the our Discord server announcements channel. Yep. So that's it from my side today.
Thanks, Pablo. Only other item I'd add is, we're continuing to work with partners around the layer 2 deployments, and we're hoping to have some more clarity around that in the coming weeks. But that is active, thinking through incentive options, native assets to deploy on those smart alpha pools or deployments. But we'll have more hopefully in a couple of weeks on that. Tyler, Malad, anything else you guys want to add update wise?
I'm good, thanks.
Yeah, I don't have any firm updates.
Okay, I don't see any questions in the GitHub comment section. We can keep it brief today if there's nothing else on tap.
We're good.
Cool. All right. Well, thanks everyone for the time, and have a nice day.
Thanks, everyone.
Everybody.
Thank you. See you.